I'm Gül Koc founder of Gül Koc GmbH, an interior design company based in Munich since 2011. I founded the company because I wanted to create a diverse community of energetic international designers and architects. My office represents my dream of a better, fairer and more open society. It welcomes young people regardless of their background and guides them on their way to a strong and courageous future.
Hello, I am Kerem. I am the part of the Gül Koc team. I believe the turning point when we ask the question, do we have to approach this as architectural problem or interior design problem? After the meetings, it was the unanimous decision from the team. At first step, at least, as the architectural problem, and we have to start as an architect. We feel we need to look at the problem from the macro perspective. Just the same way we should look at how should be office and in a pandemic process. Out of the box, flexible, dynamic, a breaking down of traditional hierarchical boundaries, a commercial rather than boring office space. We discover ourselves in a liminal state, a state of transition. And ultimately what we need is value space.
My name is Elnaz. I'm part of the team Gül Koc. We have just the perfect site in mind, an abandoned train station in between a park and an existing traditional office building close to a residential complex. Bridging the gap, literally, as a bridge is already existing, waiting to be utilized, to serve as a catalyst for connectivity and enhance activity to a possible revitalized, wider neighborhood and just an exciting for new businesses. We could do so much if we look at it from outside rather than inside the box.
Hi, this is Surbi from Gül Koc GmbH team. So, speaking of box in recent times, architects and designers have mastered modular designs. Hence, the era of prefab construction with awe-inspiring, sustainable, energy-efficient, and beautifully designed modular homes. These modular, factory-built homes have the potential to be built in the most creative ways and meanwhile be placed anywhere at affordable costs. So we can do the same with the office. We can play with these boxes like a kid in us, creating amazing forms and shapes. We can create pockets of gardens, suspended cube offices, a playful arrangement of spaces, flexible and dynamic, unpredictable and without boundaries, affordable and sustainable, exactly what we need in an office post-pandemic, we believe.
Hi, my name is Letitia Brown, one of the team members for this project. Aside from the obvious expression of art through building design, our experience narrowed our architectural philosophies down to these: purposeful design, meaningful spaces, and affordable, sustainable construction. The role of an architect is exactly that, to elevate society's experience and appreciation of the built environment by improving the way of living through memorable spaces accessible to all.
Hi, I'm Carolina from Gül Koc team. It is not every day that an architect gets a chance to face an exciting design challenge. It's a learning experience and an opportunity to tackle and solve different societal issues by way of architecture and get excited, be stimulated, discover things that could improve status quo, get recognized and possibly share a mentality contribution to society through your winning solution.
I'm Jose, and I'm the team leader for Gül Koc GmbH. Well, there's no greater avenue to express our purest form of design aspiration. The daily life of an architect is surrounded by complications limiting their vision of architecture. As architects, we need to feed our mind with creativity and our perspective limited only by our imagination. So that moment we decide to challenge ourselves, already we are winners.
I would like to thank the Be Breeder jury for honoring our competition entry Office Design Challenge 21 with the first prize. Thanks a lot also to the competition team Karen Boston, Nigam Surabi, Letitia Brown and all the remaining helping hands from our Gül Koc team for their hard work and this amazing result. I'm glad to be inspired by all of you. Congratulations!